Students, let's start our last topic of the chapter, chemical bonding, that is hydrogen bond. It is a very important topic, and uh, this concept is used in many conceptual questions. First, what is hydrogen bond? Hydrogen bond is a bond which is formed between hydrogen and most electronegative and small element. These are fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen. And how can we can learn? We can learn by a term phone. Phone makes FON, fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen, makes hydrogen bond with the hydrogen atom. How hydrogen bond is formed and what is hydrogen bond? Hydrogen bond is formed as, let's take an example, hydrogen fluoride is there. This molecule has fluorine, which is most electronegative element, and the bond pair shifted towards the fluorine and become partially negative and it become partially positive. When the one more molecule come nearer to it like that, then it will become partially positive and then it become partially negative. And this is a force of attraction. This force of attraction is van der Waals force of attraction, and this is hydrogen bond. This hydrogen bond is formed between two molecules. This is neither covalent nor ionic. It is represented by dotted line. It is weaker than covalent bond. Covalent bond से weaker होता है, but because of its presence, इसकी presence की वजह से इन molecules का boiling point और melting point बहुत high हो जाता है. We will take one more example, water, H2O, that is water. When we will draw water molecule OH, this is band shape, and one molecule of water is this. Then this is the hydrogen bond, and because of this H2O is liquid. This is also hydrogen bond. Now how can we define the hydrogen bond? Hydrogen bond is a bond which is present between hydrogen atom of one molecule and the other atom, which may be fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen of same molecule. वही molecule हो सकता है और दूसरा molecule भी हो सकता है. Between same molecule or two different molecules, and this bond is weaker than covalent bond. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड की वजह से एटम का मेल्टिंग एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट बहुत हाई हो जाता है. Now, what will be the definition? Hydrogen bond is defined as the attractive force. It is the attractive force which is dipole-dipole interaction which binds hydrogen of one molecule with the electronegative element of same molecule or different molecule. The electronegative element may be fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen. Next topic है type of hydrogen bond. Type of hydrogen bond में बच्चों दो तरीके के होते हैं. फर्स्ट इज इंटरमोलिक्यूलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड और दूसरा होता है आपका इंट्रामोलिक्यूलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. ठीक है, इसमें क्या है, सेम मॉलिक्यूल में होगा इंट्रा में और इंटर में दो. दिस इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इंटर बिकॉज टू मॉलिक्यूल्स आर देयर. इंट्रा में एक ही मॉलिक्यूल के बीच में होगा. वी विल टेक द एग्जांपल ऑर्थोनाइट्रोफिनॉल. दिस इज ऑर्थोनाइट्रोफिनॉल, बेंजीन के ऊपर OH एंड देन NO2. तो ये देखो एक ही मॉलिक्यूल है, इसमें ये जो बॉन्ड है दिस इज इंट्रामोलिक्यूलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. इंट्रामोलिक्यूलर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. नाउ वी विल स्टडी व्हाट आर द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज ऑफ हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. देखो हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड होने की वजह से फर्स्ट पॉइंट मेल्टिंग पॉइंट एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट हाई हो जाता है. इसका एग्जाम्पल लेंगे NH3 and PH3 which is higher, and why? NH3 has higher boiling point because of presence of hydrogen bonding. The second question is H2O is liquid and H2S is gas. Why? Because H2O जो है वो क्या है, वो लिक्विड है क्योंकि इसमें हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है और मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में अट्रैक्शन होगा and it will be in liquid form. The third one is HF has exceptionally higher boiling point. Why? Because of presence of hydrogen bonding. Okay, students, this is the last topic, that is hydrogen bond.